Hey guys, so in this video we are going to enable some ports on firewall with the help of group policy. So log on to your domain controller, start server manager, tools, group policy management, expand your forest, domain, then your domain. So select, if you want you can apply this policy on entire domain or specific OU. So we want to implement this policy for OU. Previously we created a policy called how we can add local computer in a SCCM server in a local computer. So if we want we can edit same policy, but if you want you can create another one. So create a new one and ports, open ports for firewall or something similar name which you can identify easily. Open, you can say firewall ports underscore SCCM. Okay, click OK. Right click on the group policy, edit. From computer configuration, policies, administrative templates, then network connections, Windows firewall and domain profile. Okay, so Windows firewall protect all the connection. Windows firewall protect all the connection. So we need to select this option, just double click on it and click enable, apply, OK. So now close this one. So again we need to select computer configuration, policies, and this time we need to select Windows settings. Okay, in Windows settings we need to choose a security settings. From security settings we need to choose a Windows firewall with advanced security. Windows firewall with advanced security. Okay, from here we need to select the firewall and inbound rule. Okay, in inbound rule right click, create a new rule and select the predefined, and from here we need to select WMI. Okay, oh it's not this one. Okay, click next, make sure these all are selected, next, and make sure it's allow the connection. Okay, click finish. Again right click on inbound rule, new rule, predefined, select the, just type the F, file and printer sharing. Okay, click next and make sure you selected all, or if you want you can take a brief look, then click next and make sure this should also allow the connection, click finish. Now we have done with inbound rule. Now we need to select outbound rule. Just right click, new rule, predefined, and same WMI, this one. Okay, click next, next. By default it's blocked, so we need to allow the connection, click finish. Again right click on outbound rule, new rule, predefined, select the and type the F, file and printer sharing, click next, next, make sure it's blocked, we need to allow the connection and finish. So guys, this is all about how we can enable required port for firewall with the help of group policy. So just close the window and type the group policy update. So you can see our group policy updated successfully. So now we need to switch to our client computer. So open a Windows 10 computer, open a command prompt, and again type group policy update gp update /force. So now I'm updating policy on client computer. So guys, policy applied successfully. So now type start Windows firewall. Okay, so just need to type a firewall, firewall, Windows firewall, Defender firewall, or you can click on advanced, and if you click on properties, you will see that for security, for your security, some settings are controlled by group policy. So that means our policy take effect on client computer successfully. So guys, in this way we can create firewall policy for our client computer with the help of group policy. So thanks for watching this video. Keep subscribe and share this content. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.